Hello guys, my name is Luca and in this video I will tell you about the most powerful Atmos soundbar on the market, the new 2023 JBL BAR 1300 soundbar. The JBL BAR 1300 is an 11.1.4 or 15.1 surround sound system that includes 6 upward firing speakers for Dolby Atmos 3D sound, has 2 rear detachable battery power speakers, one 10-inch wireless subwoofer, and has up to 1170 watts combined power through all the speakers. Has surround sound with Dolby Atmos, DTS:X and multi-beam technology, and with the pure voice technology promises to elevate the experience of watching movies, listening to music or playing games at home. As well as the JBL BAR 1000, the JBL BAR 1300 has a similar design. The only differences between them is the size of the main soundbar unit and rear speakers. It has an overall modern design with a rectangular shape with soft curved edges to create a seamless and elegant look that will blend in any space. The main soundbar unit has 6 racetrack drivers measuring 46 by 90 mm, 5 tweeters with a diameter of 20 mm, and 4 active full range drivers measuring 70 mm for a total output of 650 watts. The wireless subwoofer, it is the same as JBL BAR 1000 or 500. Have a boxy look that is made from wood. It offers 300 watts that comes from a 10-inch speaker that is mounted on the bottom of the box, so it is protected from dust or even the sharp probe of the kittens. And with a rear bass reflex port that will ensure a deep and powerful bass that spreads throughout your space. A very big difference is that the 2 rear detachable battery power surround speakers that now have buttons on the back besides the charging port, and they can play sound independently. They are composed of 1 racetrack driver 46 by 90 mm, 1 tweeter 20 mm, and active full range driver 70 mm, delivering a total of 220 watts power across both. The rear speakers blend with the main unit perfectly, and with the included wall brackets can be mounted wherever you want and offers a fully immersive 3D Dolby Atmos surround sound that fills the home entertainment space. Another great improvement is the installation of tweeters in the space where the 2 rear speakers come out, which should greatly improve the immersion of the sound. Just like the BAR 1000, it has a full LED display that is positioned on the right side of the front face and provides you with various information like input selection, volume, and sound format amongst others. On the right side of the main unit of the soundbar on top, you will find the layout of buttons with a volume control and input selection button that can be used for various functions depending how many times you press it. To power on the soundbar, just press any button and the unit will turn on. JBL BAR 1300 can support 4K Dolby Vision pass-through, allowing you to enjoy uncompressed Dolby Atmos surround sound over a single HDMI cable throughout the connection located on the rear of the speaker's bar, including 3 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI ER connector, digital optical input, 1 Ethernet port, as well as an USB port that can be used to connect external storage and stream audio from there. The soundbar doesn't have aux port that you usually see, but since there is an optical as well as HDMI ports available, missing an aux port is not such a big deal. If you don't want to bother with buttons turning on and off, the JBL BAR 1300 has CC functionality. That means that the unit will turn on and off automatically when it detects a signal in HDMI port and will take the volume directly from the smart TV. In the package, you will find wall brackets in case you plan on putting it on a wall, and is included a new remote control which provides all the necessary buttons in order to control all the soundbar functions. JBL BAR 1300 speakers has a main bar with integrated Bluetooth 5.0, which makes this product able to connect and play music directly from devices such as smartphone, tablets, laptop, but with speed. In addition, you can also use Bluetooth 5.2 on the 2 rear detachable surround speakers so that they can be used has two independent speakers model that can be carried around for use as regular Bluetooth speakers. As far as its performance, if I was very satisfied with the JBL BAR 1000, it is normal that compared to the JBL BAR 1300 model, which has improved the audio quality, brings 4 new drivers in the package, and the reinterpreted removable speakers, it is clear that this one, from my point of view, will be the best soundbar model on the market that supports Dolby Atmos function and has a crazy spoofer that will certainly amaze you with bass power and clear sound. It has Dolby Atmos technology, and with the added up-firing and rear speakers, create an amazing sound experience. In my opinion, a traditional Dolby Atmos system with speakers mounted on the ceiling gives you the best Atmos feelings, but I think that this soundbar is very close to achieving the performance of traditional systems. Dolby Atmos is a sound format that adds elevation to your sound, so the sound goes from left to right, from front to back, and from up to down. That makes Atmos technology so desired. You can stream music to JBL BAR 1300 with AirPlay, Alexa Multi-Room Music, Chromecast, and they can be controlled by your preferred voice assistant, Alexa, Google, or Siri. Also, this soundbar uses pure voice technology that optimizes voice clarity and has JBL One app where you can enable equalizer adjustments. At the end of this video, I want to say that the JBL BAR 1300 soundbar specifications are amazing. From my point of view, it will be much better than LG and Samsung soundbars. But I don't know the price yet. It will probably be launched at the beginning of 2023 at the price of around $1,300. So, that being said, keep in mind that in 2020, JBL launched the JBL BAR 9.1 soundbar that was amazing and still is in these days, and with the $750 price tag is unbeatable. What are your impressions? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!